Hey everyone. So in this video, I want to talk all about manifesting healing in your body. So this is a really important video. So I'm just trying to get in a little bit more light so you can maybe see me a bit more better. Your body, so I'm talking about in this video, manifesting being healed in your body, or manifesting being healed from an illness, disease, whatever it is, okay? And so I want to let you know, and you'll resonate with this, and let me know in the comments if you do, that your body is designed to heal itself. I mean, that's a fact. Think about it. You cut yourself, your body heals. You break your arm, your body heals. You get pimples, then your body gets rid of them and heals. You know, anything, like so many things you could do, and your body heals itself, right? And some things though, you know, you may struggle to heal, all right? And what we can do with manifesting is use like healing techniques, or even manifesting techniques that can help you to guide the healing within your body and speed up that process, right? I've done it many times. I've done it with my mouth when I had a mouth issue in my gums. I had like a burning mouth for like, I don't know, a year and a half, or the whole ordeal went on for like 3 years. It was pretty full on until I really buckled down and started using my healing techniques, and I ended up healing myself, and no doctor could help me. No dentist could help me. They did all the x-rays, they did all the scans, and they just said, there's nothing wrong with you. And I was in pain. My mouth was going numb. And, you know, my mouth was burning on fire day in and day out. It was just terrible. The only time it didn't burn was when I was asleep at night. I could actually sleep, thankfully. I couldn't at first, but I did after a while. And so I use my techniques to heal from that, right? I've used it to help others heal. I've healed my son when he's had asthma episodes. He used to get asthma a lot, and he barely gets it anymore, like barely. And he got sick the other week, and I healed him from a cold within 2 days using the techniques that I use. You know, there's just so many things. I'm working with someone with sinus issues at the moment, and we're healing. That's quite a layered issue, but we're really getting there, and she's having a lot of relief, and we're on the way to healing that as well. And so you can manifest healing, and manifestation is manifesting anything, you know, from money to a car, a house, physical, you know, healing from physical disease. Like, manifesting is anything. But, you know, in this particular video, we're looking at manifesting being healed. So let me know if that resonates. So your body is designed to heal itself, and it will heal. And as I said, sometimes it might just need a little bit of extra guidance, or it might need to release some emotion, or, you know, work out why this disease has come in, or injury, because sometimes you can get an injury and it may take a lot more longer to heal, and we can actually discover why that is and what's going on, and then speed up that process. So let me know in the comments if you're manifesting healing from an injury, disease, pain, whatever it is. Let me know below. I want to know, and let me know what it is. And so, yeah, there's my little video. Manifest healing. It is possible. There's just a few things we need to do if something's sticking around a bit longer than what we would like, for the body to be in that optimal state of health and coming to healing. Alrighty, if you like the video, make sure you like it so I can get this video out to more people, and so I also know that you like the video and I can bring you more. And subscribe and hit the bell notification. The bell notification is important, so you are notified of upcoming videos and readings and trainings that I do. And yeah, I'll chat to you all soon. Let's manifest healing if that's what you're needing to do right now. Bye.